to the channel. Sorry for the huge delay in putting out another video. Had a lot going on, but the Supra project is continuing. And you might think that it's kind of sad what I'm doing, but when you find out what's happening next, I think you'll be really excited. So stick around. This is an old video. I actually forgot to upload this. It's all about unboxing the 94mm stroker crank. Here we go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some exciting stuff. I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing video today. I did a thing, as you can see, and I purchased a Eagle, of all things. I got an Eagle 3.4 stroker crankshaft. I'm going to do a little unboxing video of the stroker pistons, the stroker crank, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I am excited to check this stuff out and see what you guys think of it. I've already kind of poked around a little bit, but just to protect some of the more delicate parts. So let's get right into it. I'm just wanting every ounce of spool up I can get. In case you guys didn't know, or if you're new to my channel, so a lot of you guys are not subscribed, this build is going in my big twin turbo. I say big, but it's bigger than the stock turbos for sure. It's going into my GTX 2971R HKS twin turbo Supra. I need every bit of spool up as I can get, so I'm doing a fully built 10-to-1 3.4/94mm stroker with VVTi and 272 cams. So I'm really hoping to get as much spool up as I can possibly get on this setup. So let's take a look at the crank. Because the crank is going to be what gives the biggest increase in spool up performance. And you know, this thing is unreal how heavy it is. I knew cranks were heavy, but I can't believe how heavy this thing is. It is impressive. I actually, I don't know what it weighs, but if I had to guess, it's about maybe 35, 40 pounds. I'm not sure. Let's get this puppy out of the box. Big thanks to my wife for putting up with this shenanigans. She helped, bring this thing in when I was at work. So that was really nice of her. This part is genuinely my first time opening it up, so hopefully this doesn't go badly. Don't know where exactly to grab this bad boy, and of course it's oiled. Sorry, wifey, I will clean it all up. But notice, not returnable. I can see why. Here's where the money's at. For the price that I got this thing, it really is a no-brainer. It's certainly an upgrade over stock. There we go. And from what I've talked to with TEC and all that, it seems to be like this is a really good option for those of us on a little bit more of a budget and not on a unlimited budget style build. I've spent so much money on this build so far. So if I could do a stroker and not, be out of sight with the costs everywhere. $4,500 by the time you get the crank gear for the oil pump and everything. I can't justify that right now with the industry and the economy potentially and everything else that's happening in this world right now. This crank I got pretty cheap. I got it less than what you would find it anywhere online right now. And got shipped to me from Real Street Performance. I got it through MVP Motorsports. Thank you, Dusty. Longtime believer in being loyal to a certain parts supplier, and that's not stopped. So I'm going to send all this stuff out to TEC. I'm going to get down to TEC, and they're going to do a balance check on it and polish everything, which actually it looks pretty well polished now. They're going to go over everything, make sure that it's good, spec it all out, take the pistons, and they're going to check it all out and make sure that it's ready to go. They've done over 20 of these cranks. So let's get this thing here. So you can really see that it's already very well polished. It's coated in oil, so you can see a little bit of sheen that may be a little bit not perfect, but I'm sure they're going to do another polish on this just to, as it's one of the things that I noticed that they do on everything is they polish every crankshaft journal, so I don't have to worry about that. So just to finish up that video, the reason I never uploaded that video is because I was supposed to go over the stock crankshaft and the stock rods and the upgraded rods and the stock pistons and the upgraded pistons. And I got in such a time crunch to try to get that motor done, I kind of never did it. So I do apologize for that, and I really, really did want to share that with you. So that's actually a lesson I've learned, is not to rush. Just don't rush your build. Don't rush your build. If you do, you'll end up having a huge gap in progress like what I've had. So the update where I talked about my twin turbos leaking and all that, that is, yes, 100% been the popped balloon of motivation for me. So that's why there haven't been any videos coming out. I put my soul and my heart into, literally my soul, but I put my heart into that build, and to have as many issues as I had, all because I rushed. Don't do it. Resist it. Do it right. Do it right, and you'll do it once. Don't rush your build. All right, what do you think about the stroker crank? What do you think about the VVTi motor? I hope you guys are excited about this as I am, and I've got something else I'm announcing. Taking out the HKS setup. This is going out. This is going away. All of the twins, they're coming out. All out. But the answer is Black Lotus Performance. Black Lotus Performance is building a kit as we speak, and there will be G-Series G25 660 twins going into this thing. And I'm so excited because they're smaller turbos outright in almost every dimension, and they produce way more power
which I really wasn't even looking for. So why did I do all this? The answer is V-bands. Everything is V-banded. So I am so excited to be able to work on it and get my hands into it. If I need to take a turbocharger off because the oil line leaked or something, let me show you this real quick. When something leaks and you need to take the turbocharger off, it's kind of a big deal. And the fact that the turbocharger to the housing there is the 6-bolt with the little clampers, that's a giant pain. These gaskets aren't unobtainium, so they're 4 bolts, but they're 2.75 inches. So I actually have looked high, low, up, down, left, and right. Not even HKS had them, so far as I could tell. So to get that, that little thing is leaking. All of this is going to be replaced with a completely new setup from Black Lotus Performance. The downpipe is going to be V-band. The turbocharger is going to be V-band. The outlet will be V-band. The turbine flange, rather, will be V-band down here. The only thing that's going to have bolts on it is the compressor cover. Alright, that's the easiest thing to get off anyways. So everything's going to be V-band, even the pipe here, the balance tube, the down pipes where they come down and merge together, that's V-banded. It's going to be V-banded back at the transmission. Everything's V-band. So it's going to make it easy to work on. And I need that. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Stick around. I'm going to try not to yammer too much more. We're going to get some action taking these turbos out. That's going to be in the next video. Thanks for sticking with us. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.